In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to n8n. We'll go through the setup process in a simple and practical way so you can get your Slack connection ready inside n8n. This is an important first step if you want to build automations that send messages, read data, or interact with your Slack workspace through workflows. To begin, open n8n and go to your workspace or dashboard. Once you're there, create a new workflow. Starting with a fresh workflow keeps everything organized and makes it easier to focus only on the connection setup. You don't need to configure any automation logic yet. Right now, the goal is just to add Slack and prepare the credentials correctly. After the new workflow opens, click the plus button to add a node. This is where you choose the app or service you want n8n to work with. In the search bar, type Slack, then select it from the results. Adding the Slack node now gives you access to the settings needed for authentication and future actions inside your workflow. Once the Slack node is on the canvas, look for the Credentials section inside the node settings. Click on Credentials to start the authentication setup. If this is your first time connecting Slack in n8n, you'll need to create a brand new credential rather than selecting an existing one. Next, click Create New. This tells n8n that you want to add a new connection specifically for Slack. You'll then be asked to choose the credential type. From the available options, select Slack OAuth 2 API. This is the correct option because Slack uses OAuth 2 for secure authorization, which allows n8n to connect to your Slack workspace without manually handling sensitive login details inside the workflow. After selecting Slack OAuth 2 API, n8n will display an OAuth callback URL. Copy this URL exactly as shown. This callback URL is a key part of the setup because it tells Slack where to send the authorization response after the connection is approved. Make sure you copy it carefully without changing or leaving out any part of it. A small mistake here can prevent the connection from working properly later. At this stage, you've completed the initial setup inside n8n. You opened n8n, created a workflow, added the Slack node, started a new credential, selected Slack OAuth 2 API, and copied the callback URL shown by n8n. Keeping each of these steps in order helps avoid confusion and makes the rest of the Slack connection process much smoother. That's it for this part of the setup.